Dear friends, let us see how this numerical control artifact works. Let's make a positioning first. Label it in advance. Avoid human error. Label boards will slowly enter. Push into our one-time positioning. The so-called one-time positioning means that after two clamping hands are clamped, this board won't move. Then on our side, already starting to do the labeling action. Let's take a look here. The hole below is already being drilled. It's slotting now. Just the voice will tell. Last working procedure. Direct drilling. Now, it's cutting. Okay, now it's cutting. Okay, then we've finished cutting the materials for the board. Now the last step is to pick the board. Because we just didn't see the following punching process in the process. Let's see how it went. It's not bad. It's elongated. This should be a side plate. Slotting, drilling.